Hi guys, so I have another swap reveal, and this swap is from Lisa, and I want you just to see this big old stack before I open it. She actually made like a stack of luggage, like a layered stack of luggage. So she has this swap hostess gift for me and then another one in here, but I wanted you to see this before I open it up. So let me open it up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got everything out of the packaging, and I wanted to just highlight that she had this wrapped around the top, and on it she has like this amazing like ribbon tassel of all of this really pretty trim. So this came like, she had it wrapped on here. I've never seen anything done like this. It was so pretty, but it's just also so easy for you to take off and use. And she also had this little tag on here, and this looks like a Mente collection. I'm not sure. Maybe she'll let us know. But if not, Lisa, can you let us know in the comments? But it is so pretty, and I know we have some Mente lovers in this swap, so I love seeing this. This, I don't recognize Lisa's name, so I think this is maybe the first time we've done a swapping thing, but we'll see in a second. Just to make sure. But look how she made this really pretty. So she made this little hostess gift for me, and she did put some trim around here and like put a little hole in the card, which is so cute. And so it is made out of the collection paper, which is beautiful. And let me see if I can open this. Okay, so she has this taped, and she has a card in here. Ooh, it's so pretty and embossed, and it says hello. And let me open this up. Okay, she put her shipping in here. Oh my gosh, she also gave me a Michael's gift card. Oh my gosh, so sweet. So it says, hi Lisa, enclosed is the shipping. Thank you so much for hosting this swap and being so welcoming as I attempt a swap. Oh my gosh, this is her first swap. She's very open to feedback. Feel free to give me any tips, tricks, or corrections. I didn't make the Paris book, but I am supporting another crafter. The collection is Mente Bon Voyage. So it's Mente, and thanks again. So she's Lisa also. Oh my gosh, this is her first swap. That makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, you did so much already, my goodness. And I love. Okay, so she basically used the tutorial to like make a bunch of little boxes, but we'll get to that. Okay, let me open up. I'm already so distracted. Oh my gosh, story of my life. This bag is so pretty. I think she made this bag. So pretty. I love the color. Okay, and I'm going to reuse this trim because it is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Okay, so she made me the chunkiest dangle. Oh, so pretty. Okay, am I going to fuss with this? No, I'm not. I'm going to cut it open. Because me and these nails are just... You guys, look at this chunky dangle. And look, she put it on this paper is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look how pretty this is. So she has these charms. And look at this passport. She wire wraps a gajillion beads. Look at this purse. Like a little hotel key. Oh my gosh. I love this. Are we there yet? This is beautiful. Look at the keys. Oh my gosh. I can't believe this is your first swap. Have you been making other things? Like, how did you make this dangle? Oh my gosh, there's people like have been swapping for a million years and still are like, can't do dangle. Look at the L for Lisa. We were both Lisas. There's so many Lisas in the crafty community. Oh man, this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. These are like glass beads too. They feel like it's super duper heavy. I know the charms sometimes get hidden, so I'm trying to make sure I find them. I'm looking for the charms in here because sometimes, oh, look at this bell. Bells always make the dangles like sound good. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. OMG. I love. And we also have, oh, these are stickers. These are stickers from Michael's. Look how pretty they are. They're like stamps that are like canceled in gold. Oh my word, that is so pretty. Thank you so much. And then we also have, oh, this book. So cute. It's Paris. Oh man, how pretty is this? Okay, I guess that's what she was saying in her card, that she didn't make this book. Listen, you don't have to make everything in a swap, okay? There's no rules that say that every single thing that you put in a swap has to be handmade. I'm gonna go back on her card and make sure that she says that I did make the Paris book. Oh, but she's supporting it. So another crafter made the Paris book. So we love to support each other as crafters. So many of us have little crafting side hustles. Okay, so this was by Janice Schrabel. So she made this really pretty book. I wonder if she used a cinch, but I love it. So I thank you, Janice, and thank you, Lisa. And look how cute it even has like little tags and stuff in here. I don't have a book like this. Like I always want to make one and I haven't. So this is really nice and I love a notebook. So I will definitely get a lot of good use out of that. And then look at this beautiful memory decks. Okay, good. She put a little, you're an expert. She put her covered up her address and everything. So this is Lisa. Oh, Lisa plans it. Okay. So she has a YouTube and an Instagram. So her YouTube is Lisa Plans It 3473. Her Instagram is Lisa Plans It. Her Facebook is Lisa McNamara Creme. Favorite colors, blue and pink. Favorite holidays, love them all. And she collects memory decks. Oh, that's nice to know. And that's fun. Look how pretty this is, you guys. OMG. Look at this. It's like I don't even know what. Is it an upside down umbrella? It is. Or like a parasol. It's not even an umbrella. It's like a beautiful, it has like this mesh. And look at the flowers, so pretty. And she like made this word explore and used a lot of so I think in Minte, you have to like fussy cut, I think. So this is a labor of love. And I have this memory decks and I love it. I love the shape of them. This is so pretty and the little thread and everything. Oh my gosh, I love this. Thank you so much. I also love getting memory decks. So I love it too because it's just like so nice to see all of the people that you've like swapped with over time. And then you guys look at this gorgeous Pokey Tool. You guys know Pokey Tools are the way to my heart. I love a Pokey Tool, and I just was telling myself it's time for me to switch out the one I use. This is a long Pokey Tool too, which I love. Oh my gosh, look at this. You guys, look how pretty this is. Oh man. And look, it has this thing that says believe. I love that. And then this little like, it kind of looks like Celtic. I don't know. It might just be me and a little tassel. And it is so big. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Look at all these beaded things that she sent. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Lisa, for my beautiful hostess gift. And now we are going to get into your 3-tiered swap. So guys, look, I think, let me see. Is this the same? No, it's not. Okay, so we will open this, but we will open this after. Let me put these guys to the side. Okay, this goes with the swap. This goes with the swap. And then these are mine. I don't want to get confused. Okay, here we go. Okay, so look at this stack of boxes. You guys look, she like made a luggage stack. Can we see this? Okay, so let's open the top one. We'll open this one first. Look how she did it's magnetic. So nice. And look how cute this is. She stitched the little handle. Like I said, you guys, I did not have a handle in it, but that was not done on purpose. Oh, she put her mem decks in here. Okay, so it's the same kind of mem decks as mine, sorry. And it's a little bit different because she has this little travel journal in here. And her parasol is a different color, but it's basically the same. The paper in the background is a little different too. So pretty. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, and what a nice way to like package it in this little box. I love that. Because I usually just throw mine in plastic. But this is so cute. Oh my goodness. So that's what's in box number 1. And this magnet is everything. Okay, I love that. Okay, I'll keep playing with that. And then we have another box here. Minte is so pretty because the paper is just so pretty. And it is just beautiful. Look how nice. Okay, when we open this, okay, so we have some crafty essentials in here, you guys. We have some crafty gifts. Oh boy. So we have this, which is a cute little sleeping mask that says wake me up for brunch. Hand sanitizer and essential. I think we had someone else that did this, so they're on the same page. Moisturizing hand cream, definitely an essential. I need that. And then a first aid kit. What a cute idea. And also very necessary. And I love how you took the tutorial and made the boxes different sizes to suit your own purposes. I love that so much. That makes me so happy. Because yeah, it's nice to have something like that you can, you know, make for a different purpose. You know, like you can make a small one for a different swap or just for a little gift. Or in this case, she made like a thicker one for memory decks. This paper is so pretty. I love Minte. I should buy more Minte. I never buy it. I don't know why. I don't know if it's just, I don't know if it's not advertised as much. I'm not sure. But anyway, okay, now we have our last one here. And look how this says airport on the front. And it has The paper is just so pretty. Gosh, the paper does all the work. That's what Leslie, Labor of Love, who loves Minte, she says that all the time. Like the paper just like does the work. Okay, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. So here are some of her die cuts. This is a shaker. So let us open it up. Look at this. How pretty is this mirror? I love this. I love the back. Oh wow, this is so pretty. And look at the shaker mix. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love that. And we do need to bring mirrors when we go on our trips. Okay, wait, she had it this way, so I'll put it back that way. And she also has these motel keys that say the key to my heart. So cute. And then look at this. Look at this bag. Oh my gosh, so cute. And she embellished it with these glasses and a little dangle here. Adorable. Oh my word, that's so cute. And look, this is the KS Craft like ship. It's a cruise ship shaker. This is her shaker. I love it. Oh my gosh, and then look at the bag topper. Oh, oops. Okay, I need to, let me put a little bit sturdier tape because sometimes this washi tape doesn't do what you need it to do. I want to put cute tape. Okay, I'm gonna tape that later because I don't want to put. The only tape I have next to me right now is Halloween, and I don't want to ruin the vibe that we have going on here with my Halloween tape. So I'll put that later. Okay, we also have these beautiful rosettes. Oh my word, it's stapled, so I'm not gonna open it. But look, this one has Paris, Tampa, New York, Rome. And then look at this one. This is such a pretty rosette. It's like a flower rosette, and she layered it. She even put some glossy accents on the binoculars and on the camera. So pretty. And then look at these. Look, she put seam binding on here. She made a little ruffle out of that really pretty like velvety ribbon. And then look at the flowers as a center. So pretty, Lisa. You did such a great job. I can't believe this is your first swap. You knocked it out of the park. Oh my goodness. Okay, look here. So now we also have some more shakers. And this is like a, kind of like a Polaroid shaker, but it's rectangular. And it has this gorgeous flower on it. Oh my gosh. And I think it says, oh, it says Hello World. This is so pretty. Look at this bow on top. I love this. And then we have another shaker down here. This is actually a ticket shaker. And it's so pretty. And look, again, she has this really fun sequin mix on the inside and these flowers here that are so pretty, and this ephemera from the collection. And it says one-way ticket. Look at the back. Oh, this paper is so pretty. I love it. I'm so glad you told us the name of it because I'm sure there's going to be lots of people running to buy it. And then this one here says travel, and here is a bag topper, and it's a doily. And it has a little tassel hanging from the side. And she put some little enamel dots on here, some mesh. So, so pretty. And inside we have some more bag toppers. So we have the same bag topper that she used here. So let me show you this so then I don't have to open it. So see how it's the same. So pretty, right? And then she made one of those. And then she also made this one, which is a little longer, and it says travels, and it has a boat on it. So, so pretty. And then she made this one, also says travel, and it is so pretty. Gosh, she put these enamel dots, this globe. It is beautiful. Oh my gosh. So she made extra bag toppers for you, and then she made you a dangle. Oh, I'm so happy for you. This came off of, oh, this came off of this. Okay, I'm gonna put this back also. I'm sure this came on here. So I will use my double-sided tape and put that back. And I will also show, oh, she made you a pokey tool too. Oh, you're so lucky. Okay, so you got this beautiful pokey tool like mine. It is tall and perfect. And then she also made a beaded pen that is gorgeous. I love these huge little crackle beads. Love those. And a dangle, which I'm not gonna open because you saw how me opening it last time. But it is very similar. I'm sure it does not have an L, but it does have this cute bow on it. She doesn't know what your name is because she doesn't know who her swap partner is yet. But it has all of the same goodies. It has the Are We There Yet? It has the little passport. So pretty. Lisa, you did such a great job. Okay, let me see what's in here because this I can't open, but look at this, how she layered this up. And she has a little crepe paper rosette layered on top of this scalloped piece from the collection. And then let me open this up. I think this is what has the snack in it. It does. Oh my gosh, it has a lot more than a snack. Okay, I don't want to open it all the way. First, combos. Oh my gosh, I haven't had combos since high school. These are very good and very yummy for snacking. Oh, she also put some Cheez-Its white cheddar. Now I have had these recently. These are yummy. And then she even put some little crafty goodies in here. So she gave you this little Hobby Lobby travel sticker pack. These little cute. This is like a little mat, but it's a banner. So you could actually use this all together or cut it up. Adorable. Here's what comes on the sheets. I'm not going to open it, but I will show you that they're just like little tiny travel. This is so pretty. I love that. So if you're a planner, especially, that's like literally perfect. And then we also have in here this little, I think this is an embellishment box. It looks like luggage. Oh, this is, okay, so she made this an embellishment box. This is actually a pill container that people take for travel, but look at all these amazing goodies that she gave you. Oh my gosh. Look, even something for Halloween. She put some Halloween stuff in there. Halloween is on all of our brains. We're all getting, this is, for a lot of people, this is their last swap out before they are crafting Halloween. She also put in here this adorable little luggage container again. And inside, oh my gosh, she put these cute die cuts. So this is stuff you would pack. So we have our bathing suit. We have some sunglasses. And we have a purse, of course, you need, and some flip-flops. Adorable. Oh my gosh. And how cute to put them in this little container like this. So stinking cute. I love it. And then, last but not least, she has a card in here. And her card is to her swap partner. And she made just the same kind of pretty card. Look at the inside of this. And I don't think it says anything special in here. Nope. Okay, so I'll let the swap partner read her little note that she has in here. But this was so good. Lisa, thank you so much for trusting me in joining your first swap. You did such a great job. I know whoever gets this is going to adore it. So many amazing goodies in here. So much work went into this, and it shows. And it is just so beautiful. You should be so proud of yourself. Welcome to the swapping community. We love... I know I can speak for probably 99% of us, because 99% of the interactions that I've had with this community have just been amazing. So I know we welcome you with open arms, and I hope that you do many, many, many more swaps after this. So I will link all of Lisa's info. I'll put her Instagram in the description bar. I will put her YouTube in the title of this video. And so make sure you show her some crafty love, and make sure if you are not subscribed, you subscribe so you can see I'm going to be doing reveals 2 a day until we are done. So every day there will be 2 reveals, swappy reveals. And yeah, this has been so much fun. So thank you, Lisa, for joining. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.